Just focus on this one habit all week long, and I guarantee after 7 days, you're gonna feel more powerful, more authoritative. There's one communications habit that I want you to start working on this week to start sounding more authoritative, to start feeling more powerful in every situation. And that one habit is downward inflection. At the end of your statements, I want you to lower your tone, not your questions. Your questions, your tone still goes up. But when you're making a statement about anything, make sure to hit it with downward inflection. People are gonna be reacting to you in a whole different way. And make sure to follow for more ways to tap into your charismatic influence.